Dear students, now we understand chapter 4 of your accountancy syllabus, which is having heading Process and Basis of Accounting. When we talk about the process of accounting, we all know if we understood the definition of accounting in a very perfect manner, then there would not have any problem in understanding the process of accounting. As you all know, that process always has the number of steps. So accounting process will also have the number of steps, starting from the identification of financial transaction, preparation of the vouchers, recording in the books of original entry, posting to the ledger, and then preparation of trial balance and financial statements. So all these are to be understood one by one in a specific system. Recalling to the definition of accounting, we say that accounting is the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpretation of the result. So same way here, accounting process has the specific steps. Those steps starts with the identification of the financial transaction, preparation of the vouchers, recording in the books of original entry, posting them into ledger, and then preparation of trial balance and financial statements. Dear students, I would continue to tell you in the practical when we have the live class and also in our reading classes that what the accounting is and the important steps of the accounting is. Now we reference to the basis of accounting, that how the transaction should be recorded in the books of account. Broadly and clearly understand that there are two important bases. Which two bases is there? First, it is called the cash basis of accounting, and second, it is called the accrual basis of accounting. Cash basis of accounting say that transaction should be recorded in the books of account as and when the cash has been received or paid. If it is a credit transaction on the basis of the cash, it will not be recorded in the books of account. It will be recorded in the period when the cash has been received or cash has been paid. Technically speaking, this base of accounting is not recognized as per the Act or as per the provisions of the various Act. It is very simple basis and it is to be followed only by the small businessmen who are having the very small operations or small level of operations. The second important basis which is actually followed and recognized by the law, and it is also scientific, this is called the accrual basis of accounting. Under this basis of accounting, incomes are recorded when they are earned or accrued, irrespective of the effect whether cash is received or not. Accrued here means when the earning process being completed. Income is to be recognized or to be shown or recorded in the books of account when the earning process has been completed. Actually it is received or not, that is a separate matter. So accrual assumption or accrual basis of accounting is the real basis, and it is recognized by all the acts. Under the Companies Act 2013, all the companies are required to maintain their books of accounts according to accrual basis of accounting. According to accrual assumption, a transaction is recorded at the time when it takes place and not when the settlement takes place. As earlier also shared with you, that transactions are recorded on the due basis. The concept is particularly important because it recognizes the assets, liabilities, incomes, and expenses as and when transactions relating to it are entered into. I would request you kindly read this lesson also. This is very simple, very easy lesson. I would continue to the next very important lesson in our next class, that is associated with the accounting equation. Please understand that accounting equation is a numerical topic and we have to understand with very true and fair spirit, because from that lesson our practical or numerical aspects of accounting start. But again I request you to understand all these very basic 4 lessons which are associated with the theory, because they would be completely helpful to understand the numerical aspects and the next part of your syllabus. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. I request to all of you remain inside as well as take all the precautions relating to the Corona-19. Good day.